Sounds awesome. The techniques I'm about to show you are simple, and they're just things that I like to focus on when using acoustic guitar in my beats. I play the guitar the way I would play a drum machine, or the way I chop up a sample. I think in chunks. I think in sections. Speaking of which, after we talk about the techniques, I'm gonna make 3 beats. Yeah. Trap, boom bap, lo-fi, in no particular order. To show you how awesome and easy it is to put acoustic guitar into your beats. Let's do this, my friend. Yo, I am Mnemonic. Hip-hop and the acoustic guitar together are by no means a trending topic, although the Rolling Stone magazine did report that as of 2018, the acoustic guitar, in hip-hop that is on the come-up. Let's get into the guitar stuff. Thank you for letting me, I'm no expert, but I'm pretty sure that guitar is played with 2 hands, so we'll focus on the side where all the strumming and the picking is done. Strumming. It's pretty self-explanatory. Picking. This is great for melodies. Yeah. Finger style. Aside from painting your fingernails, there's all kinds of ways to put some style on your fingers. You can get really creative with this technique. While all of that is happening over here, the other hand is dancing about the fretboard to control what notes are actually being played. Let's focus on the flourishes, the things that add character, the acoustic qualities of the guitar. Starting with hammer-ons, pull-offs, slides. Oh my goodness, this is wild. In a recent video I told you that I'm not that good at playing acoustic guitar, and now here I am showing you how to add actual acoustic guitar to your beats. And that's part of the point. As a producer, I don't sit here for 20 minutes a day with my guitar practicing scales and finger techniques. No, I look for the vibe of the acoustic guitar, of other acoustic instruments. There's a certain characteristic that when captured adds that flavor to productions that cannot be mimicked by virtual instruments. Oh, and 2 more things that really focus on the percussive qualities of the acoustic guitar. The first one I like to call chugs, some call them dead notes. Muting the strings, or muted notes, or mutes. Just when you mute the strings with your palm, it gives it a really cool plunky dunk 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 sound, which is very percussive and can be used in all kinds of ways. Are you ready to make some beats? First, we start with boom bap. I stop and think about the vibe that I'm going for. It's all about the vibe. I can't stress that enough. So this is a nice, energetic drum pattern. And it's got sway, and it just needs something to chug along with it. So I'm thinking the palm muted stroke of the thumb, and then some hammer-ons. Yeah. The boom bap drum loop is coming in at 92 beats per minute. Yo. Can't you just hear some DJ Premier chops over that? Yeah. I like the guitar. I really do. Duplicate the track, pitch it up an octave. Do you hear that color? Without? With. I'm also going to compress that just a bit. Nice and fast. Attack. Slow. Release. Okay, we're just going to add a bass line to this. I'm going to go crazy again and add a saturator to that. And then a compressor. Yeah, yeah. That's really coming through. Nope. Okay, so maybe I do want to add a melody to this. Watch this. What? I'm going to record this MIDI pattern higher than I would like and then pitch it down for vibes. It's all about the vibe. Like, maybe we'll go higher. Yes, we will. Yeah. Bear with me now. Freeze track, flatten track, pitch down, 1 octave? We might go 2 octaves. More distortion. Ooh, that's actually getting me excited. Come on now. Is that distant record static that I hear? It must be lo-fi time, coming in at 77.5 beats per minute. Let me take the capo off. I think fingerstyle would be cool for this. Something sad. I took a drum loop, slowed it down, grabbed isotope vinyl because it's just really cool. It's like a filter. 1930, 1950. Ooh, it just got a little brighter. 1960. Ooh, I'm feeling that. The warmth of those mid-range is really starting to punch through. 1970. Oh, we got some kick. That snare's starting to knock. 1980. Now we got cassette players. And I can feel the bass a little bit more, Dad. 2000. Oh, I got my Walkman, my CD player, 44.1 kilohertz, 16-bit CD player. Yeah. We're going to go with 1970 because that's when things were really cool. That's when music was the best. Here's the original guitar loop. See that characteristic, that timbre? That's what I'm talking about. Tone down some of those low frequencies. That's starting to sound nice. Let's add a melody. Maybe an organ or an electronic piano. An electronic piano. Piano? May I please have a piano? Like a... not a clap. A cheap electronic piano. And douse it in reverb. Let's add some reverb to the guitar as well. The drums are still a little too exciting. We need to chill them out. They haven't been damaged by life enough. And the guitars, we gotta take more of those high frequencies away. That's not allowed. That's it. Watch me now. Now let's mess with it. Let's bring that down an octave, because that will be cool. What the heck, that's dope. I'm moving. I'm in the zone now. Maybe I should make multiple beats per video. A woofer loving bass. What? That's not a bass. At this range it isn't. Dang, maybe I should use that. That was tight. Nice. Whoa, it's trap time. Yeah, I'm sorry to interrupt your lo-fi session, but it's time to get lit. I'm no scientist, but trap is, it's simple. There's always a really freaking complex drum pattern with like 5 different hi-hats. I don't fully get that. And then there's a heavy bass line, and then like some spooky stuff over it. Who's ready to put some acoustic guitar on the trappy booms? This guy, right here. What is missing from this? Pop quiz. Pop quiz. Think about it. You can put a comment below. Were you right? 808s, you doofus. Of course. This needs some. The bass is there. Now, let's do something crazy with the guitar. This is just a simple strum pattern. But if we mess with it, it reminds me of drip too hard. You know what I'm talking about? You know what I'm talking about. There you have it, my friend. 3 beats made from very simple guitar playing techniques that I talked about earlier. We're going to listen to them right now. Thank you for watching. You're fantastic. If you are new here, welcome. Consider subscribing. If you're already subscribed, go share it. Tell your friends. Word of mouth is a powerful force. And we will end it on a quote from the legendary guitar player, rest his soul, B.B. King. The beautiful thing about learning is nobody can take it away from you. Learn something new today and make some music, if that's what you like to do. Peace. We all got problems, man. We all got problems, man. We all got problems, man. Take it. Like that might be it.